Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jigyasa Bhasin. Welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. If you often experience stomach pain, bloating, frequent diarrhea or constipation, you might be struggling with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. It's a common digestive disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. But no worries, because IBS can be easily treated with homeopathic medicines that bring improvement in a condition with no side effects. Today, in this video, I will explain the basics of IBS, its symptoms, its causes, and how homeopathic treatment can revive your intestinal health. With the right approach, you can find relief from digestive issues and live a healthier, more comfortable life. Stay tuned to learn how to treat IBS naturally and effectively. Irritable bowel syndrome is a functional digestive disorder that affects the intestine and stomach. In short, I would say it's a gastrointestinal disease. No doubt, IBS is a long-lasting disease, but it does not cause permanent damage to the intestine like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. However, it can cause unease and disturb daily life. One more thing about IBS is that it is more common in women than men. Women are twice as affected as men. People under the age of 50 years are usually considered more prone to IBS than older individuals. Well, several factors are responsible for developing IBS, from diet to lifestyle. Now, I will guide you on the symptoms that will help you to identify the condition at its initial stage. The first and most common symptom of IBS is abdominal pain and cramping. You may typically feel this discomfort in the lower abdomen and may be relieved after a bowel movement. The pain could be mild to severe and is often linked with changes in bowel habits. Second, people with IBS often experience bloating, which is a feeling of fullness or tightness in the abdomen. Improper digestion leads to excessive gas production, causing more digestive discomfort and unease. Third, some people with IBS also experience diarrhea. It may be loose or watery stools. They need to go washroom many times a day. This condition is also called diarrhea, that is predominant IBS diarrhea. The next symptom of IBS is constipation. You may experience infrequent bowel movements or difficulty passing stools. Stools may be hard, dry, or lumpy, and passing them can be painful. This condition is constipation predominant IBS. Some people with IBS experience both diarrhea and constipation at different times. This alternates diarrhea and constipation, where bowel movements fluctuate between loose and hard stools. Mucus in stool is also a very distinct symptom of IBS. IBS sufferers often complain of white or clear mucus in their stool. Now I come to the causes of IBS. The exact cause of IBS is not understood. However, several factors lead to the development of IBS. Let us discuss food intolerances or allergies to certain foods such as dairy, wheat, beans, cabbage, and aerated drinks, which can trigger IBS symptoms. Certain bacterial or parasitic infections can also cause IBS. It generally happens in the areas where water and food are contaminated. Stress is also one of the major factors in making IBS worse. If you are someone who is living in stressful conditions or disturbed by some early life events, then you can notice your IBS symptoms become more worse than usual. Certain medications such as over-the-counter drugs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs can also trigger IBS in some people who have a very sensitive gut. Medicines used in the treatment of bacterial or viral infections may also worsen your IBS symptoms. Alright, genetics also play a major role in triggering IBS. If you have a family history of IBS, then you may be susceptible to it. Well, I have given you a complete explanation of IBS, its symptoms and causes. Now, I will guide you on its treatment that is natural, safe and effective. Homeopathy treats patients holistically with no side effects. Homeopathic medicines are prescribed based on the patient's constitution, meaning their physical and mental symptoms both. Bharat Homeopathy has a prominent face in treating IBS worldwide, as we have a track record of thousands of happy patients. We are a team of doctors who treat patients with customized and personalized homeopathic treatment. If you have any questions related to IBS or treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related information. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.